This is questions only. And from our audience, what's the question you would really want to ask your parents? Anyone, please yell the answer.
Am I adopted?
Okay, let's go with that. Am I adopted? And then you're gonna start the scene with that question.
Ma, am I adopted? Where did you get these papers? Why is there a paper saying I'm adopted here? Since when did you learn how to read? You told me I don't look like Papa just because.
What did you tell her?
Didn't you see that she just found it?
Why is it just laying on the floor?
I told you. Now, what are we gonna do? I don't want Nessa to feel like she's a...
What?
Papa, is it real?
Do you want candy?
I'm allergic to candy.
Have I been around lately?
You really love me?
Is that even a question?
What will I do? Everyone knows I'm...
What will I do? Go!
Did she just ask you if you still love her?
Why are you so negligent?
You around.
Can't you see I was working?
Working for what? My baby sister suffering because of you guys? Yeah. I want to run away. Will you do something to fix this?
Where can we find a lawyer?
Why do you need a lawyer?
Do you want her to be adopted?
Isn't he already adopted?
Do I look like I'm knowledgeable of the situation?
Are you the father? Are you my father?
Do you want to find out another secret?